For years, the dream of generating truly cinematic video from simple text or images felt just out of reach. We've seen glimpses, experiments, but now that dream has become a powerful, accessible reality. The biggest hurdles in AI video, temporal inconsistency, limited control, and often an uncanny valley effect, are being overcome. Introducing WAN 2.2, Alibaba's groundbreaking generative AI model. And now, you can master it with our comprehensive WAN 2.2 Masterclass, Cinematic AI Video Generation. This isn't just about making videos, it's about crafting stories, experiences, and visuals with unprecedented precision. At the heart of WAN 2.2's breakthrough is its innovative mixture of experts, or MoE architecture. Imagine two highly specialized AI directors collaborating, one sketching the grand scene and motion, the other meticulously refining every texture and pixel. This synergy is why WAN 2.2 delivers such incredible visual fidelity and temporal consistency. In this course, you'll not only understand this powerful system, but also learn to control it directly within the intuitive, node-based environment of ComfyUI. So, what incredible capabilities will you unlock?